So welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and we're going to go over how you'd remove the front bumper to be able to, say, remove the headlight housings or anything that you need to do behind that front bumper. So to do that, we first need to remove this cover here. And these are push pins, but they use a screwdriver head to back them out a little bit, and that just to be a good P2. You don't take them all the way. I mean, you just got to unscrew it enough, and then the push pin will be able to pull out. Okay, with all those push pins removed, now we should be able to, there. And then we've got two number 10 bolts up top here to undo. So the number 10 bolt that you would undo on that side of the bumper, and then over here, it's same as the other side. We have a number 10 to be removed right here. And then we have the same push pin style screws on the bottom. Okay, so with those undone, then what you'll do is you'll pull this bumper away from the fender and be able to work around. Now we're only going to want to go a little bit because we want to unhook the electrical connector for the fog light on this side and the other side before we remove the whole bumper. It'll make it, won't be holding on there when you get it undone. So that side's unhooked, and that side's unhooked, and so we've got the bumper sitting up here. Hold your hand, you want to hold your hand here so that when you pull this side, the bumper doesn't just fall straight to the ground. And then it's free. And now you're able to pull and remove the whole bumper from your vehicle to be able to do the work that you would need to behind the bumper. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.